Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. Today Nifty opened at 15,855 and closed at 15,727. Totally 150 points was lost today. Out of 50, 43 stocks are in negative. Here you can see top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. Top 5 losers, most of the metal stocks are in negative today. Even Tata Motors also there is a little bit dip again. Okay, and if it is further dip to 290 to 295, we can go for buy, and if anybody already took the same, they can add additional. And here you can see chart the moment market opened, it is due to selling pressure continuously is negative trend. At one point tried to rebound the, but again due to uh, weakness of European markets, and again it is a negative trend. The finally closed at 15,727. Even bank nifty today, bank nifty also lose around 500 points. Mostly 10 stocks are in negative out of 12. But still, but AU bank is performing well, around 1.67% is gain. For this AU bank we have already made one video. You can go to our channel for the detailed analysis of the AU bank for long term idea. Nifty, oh sorry, bank nifty opened at 35,603 and closed at 35,274. This also it is continuously in selling pressure the moment market opened, and finally it took support at little bit 35,180. Okay, and closed at 35,274. And the main reason for this today market fall is weakness in international markets, Dow fall, and there is a bond yields in US also fall, and there is a fall in European market also. And for tomorrow we have identified support and resistance for Nifty like this. Support is 15,630. Okay, and resistance is 15,920. And here we have drawn, you can see there is a trend line. Okay, multiple times it was took support this trend line and market rebounds, but today also it took support at same point, and it is the rebounced. So we can expect from this point it can again rebounds. Whereas for bank nifty, support is 34,950 and resistance is 35,750. Here also you can see there is one trend line. Whenever it comes to trend line, it is taking support and rebouncing. So tomorrow also you can expect if it's come here and it is sustained, it can be a rebound. Otherwise it break this trend line, then you can go for sell. There may be hook down fall. And friends, for a few short term we have identified a few stocks. That is number one is Rain Industries. Okay, the reason is so if you can observe, after mostly after 6 months, finally it has breached this trend line with a huge volume, very huge volume. You can see yesterday it was breached, and today also there is a rise in around 3%. so we can expect up to 300 within I mean around 45 to 60 days. Next, one more stock is Genius Power. Here also you can see mm, actually there is a trend line breakout few days back, but from then onwards it is continuously in bullish. So this stock also can expect uh, up to 100 within 30 to 45 days. Okay, that's all friends for today. Friends, if you like our video, please comment, like and subscribe our channel, and please note that this channel, this analysis is only for education purpose. Thank you.